Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nancy Lizama. If this is your first time here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And guys, as you can tell by the title of today's video, I am doing a little get ready with me para el baile. And guys, I know a lot of you have asked for makeup tutorials, and I haven't filmed just because I don't feel very confident doing my makeup. So a ver cómo me va with this video. But guys, if you want to go ahead and achieve this look, then just keep on watching. Guys, it's been so long since I've done a makeup tutorial, so let's hope I remember how to do this. But we're gonna go ahead and get started with these three products, which are going to be the BADESCU skincare. And then I am also loving the TULA products, which this one is a 24/7 moisture and signature glow. So I'm going to go ahead and start moisturizing with these. So first I go in with the BADESCU. I literally just get very little bit of the TULA 24/7 moisture. And if you guys see me looking down, I do have my mirror right there, so don't mind me. And then now I'm gonna go ahead and spray the signature glow. And it smells so good. Then I just pat that in all over. So now we'll be starting off with my favorite foundations, which is the Nars Weightless foundation and the JUVIAS foundation as well. I'll be putting everything down in the description box, guys, so you guys can find it. But I do love that they're very full and creamy coverage. That is really what I like in a foundation. So if you don't like that heavy coverage, then I wouldn't recommend it. And then I'll just be wetting my little sponge and going in with both foundations. So now for cream contour, I am going to be going in with the e.l.f. hydrating concealer in the shade light beige. And then also with the JUVIAS contour stick, and this is in shade JACMEL. And then I get this pointed brush, and this is from the Real Techniques and contour brush. And then I just dip it on the contour stick and apply in the areas that I want. And then I'm going to start by blending out my bronzer first. That way it gives time for my concealer just to get a little more thick and more easier to blend and more full coverage. I mean, that's what works for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and start blending this out. Now I'm gonna go ahead and get my beauty sponge and also wet it and blend my concealer out. Now we're gonna be going in with the Anastasia loose setting powder in shade Banana. And then I'm just gonna be using an angled beauty blender to go ahead and set that on my face. And I usually apply it in the same areas that I applied my concealer. I just realized that my video is blurring my face, so I really hope that it did not miss a lot of my video, guys. I'm so sorry if it did, but I hope it stays focused. Focus on me. Alrighty, so now I'm gonna be going in with blush. And guys, I was not a fan of blush. I never used blush, and I know a lot of people said like blush was their thing, and I just honestly think I had never found the right blush for me. But guys, when I seen this one by MILANI, it is in shade Rose de Oro. Okay, sorry guys, Rose de Oro. Guys, it is like my it's my go-to, and I've never tried any other blushes, and I am obsessed with this one, guys. And I go in with this powder brush, and honestly guys, I don't know the brand, I'm sorry, but I go ahead and get that in there and then kind of dust it off, and then make this little face, you know, to get my cheekbones. And I gotta get my nose. And I've been obsessed with putting blush on my nose. I don't really put a lot on my forehead, but I'll just put like whatever's left. So now for highlight, I do like to use this one. It's called Cover Fix, and it is in the shade Nova. And I love to use this for my cheeks, but I literally just put one dot. Ooh, I think I put too much on this one. And then you really gotta blend it, girl, like blend it, because if not, it will look too harsh. So I go in with this brush that I got off of like Amazon, I believe, and it is like a poofier brush, and I blend that out, guys. And I don't bring it too down. I literally try to leave it on the very, very high point of my cheeks. And then I go in circular motions, and your girl loves her some highlight. So I will be going in with the Anastasia AMREZY and the Fresh and Frosted highlights. And guys, I honestly love them both so much. This one I honestly just get like a little bit of every color, and this one, and just pop it on there, guys, because I love it. And literally like, and pop it on. Then I'll get my finger and literally put them on all four again and run it down my nose. My lip. We're gonna go ahead and move on to eyeshadow because my eyes are looking a little too small. Let me take this foundation off of my lips because they're looking a little crusty. Well, they're still looking a little crusty, but whatever. So now we're going to be using these two palettes, which this is the AMREZY by Anastasia, and this is the Morphe 350M or 35OM. Not sure how you pronounce that, but we're going to be using these two. We're going to be getting started at first with the Morphe, and I'm going to be going in with this light orange and this darker orange just to go ahead and get started. And I'm going to be blending that out on the outer area of my lid. And I'm just going to be going in until I get the color that I want. And I am just going in with this warmer shade just so it can make everything blend out. And then I'm going to slowly drag it out. Not too harsh. You don't want to get more product and go that way. But just use what you've been using and whatever's left on your brush, and just extend that out. And guys, I'm so sorry, I'm so bad at this, but the brush I was using was the Sephora Pro Tapered Crease brush number 19. And then now I'm going to be going in with the Anastasia palette, and I'm going to be going in with this Morphe by Jacqueline Hill brush, and this is in JH40, and I will be using this brush, and I'm going to be going in with these warm colors, guys. And I'm going to go ahead and start shaping my crease area. This is more of a like blending but also pointed brush, so it helps with both. Now I will be going in with a more tapered and pointed brush, and this is the BH Cosmetics brush in number 9. And I'm going to be going in with this one right here, which is 1998. And I'm going to be focusing on my crease area now. I'm gonna go back in with this semi-tapered brush, and this is the Morphe by Jaclyn Hill JH40, and I'm not gonna be mixing anything in, just blending everything out. I don't want to blend too much, just so the colors are all visible, but that they blend well together. And now I'll be going in with this brush by Jaclyn Hill, and this is the Morphe by Jaclyn Hill JH39. And I am just going to be going in with the same exact colors, but I'm going to be going on the bottom area just to go ahead and join the colors together. And I still don't know what I'm going to wear, if I'm going to wear like brown or something nude, but I am going to go more in that color range. So that's why I decided to go with this eye look. So that was with the Morphe palette. Now I'm gonna go in with the Anastasia. And now I'm gonna focus more on the waterline area of my eyes. And with the same pointed brush that I used to go in with 1988, I'm gonna be going in also. Now I'm gonna go ahead and try to connect these two ends together. Then I go in with this brush that I used to take off my setting powder, and I just lightly brush up just in case any excess fell. So usually I go in and actually cut my crease, but I am loving how it's looking without having a cut crease, so I think I'm going to leave it like this. Now I'm gonna go ahead and apply these lashes, and these are in matte sheer, and this is by the brand Kiss. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these bad boys on, and I'll be right back. Lashes are on. Now I'm going to be going in with the L'Oreal, and this is Voluminous Lash Paradise. Moving on to setting powder, which I'll be using the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. And then this is the Anastasia Dewy Set. And I'm going to be going in with the Morphe first. And then the Dewy Set. So guys, I think I'm going to curl my hair like super curly. I haven't done that in a long time, which I'm going to kind of film a little bit, and then I'm going to just skip through it because I know you're gonna get bored, and I have done a tutorial on how to curl your hair this way. And then I'll show you my outfit before leaving al bailongo. So I'm gonna put lipstick on, which I think I'll be putting on at the end because I don't want it to get in my hair. I'm going to be using this wand right here. It's really thin, and it is by a Hot Shot Tools, and I do have it on 350. And then I'm gonna go ahead and split my hair in half and go ahead and start curling it. And then I'll just kind of run my hands through it, get the volume. The more volume, the better. So guys, these are my pelos chinos that I'm going with this look tonight, guys. So I'm going to be putting my lip combo on to show you what I wear, and then I'm going to change, and then I'll be ready para irme al baile. So guys, the lip combo that I use is going to be these two colors right here. So this is the Morphe True Story, and then this one's the Maybelline Purely Nude. And I'm so upset because I do have a Morphe lip liner, which I always use, and I left it in my boyfriend's truck, so I can't use it for this video, guys. But I'll be putting it down in the description so you guys will know which lip liner I use. And then I'm going to be topping it off with this lip gloss from e.l.f. and it says Lip Liqueur, and it has like a little bit of glitter, and it's in the shade Bubbles. So I will be putting this on, and I'll be right back. So guys, I ended up going with a different shade. I went with the Maybelline Nude Embrace shade 650, just because when I put the other one on, it looked completely like a different color in the center. I don't know, it wasn't going good with that darker color, so I did go in with that one, and I love how it came out. Okay guys, esto es lo que me voy a poner for the baile tonight, and I will be doing a haul de Shein donde va a grabar todo esto lo que tengo puesto. So guys, I really hope you like this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and to subscribe, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.